We're White Noise.
Yeah! White Noise!
Hell yeah! This is Elliot Rick, the fucking Rickster on bass here. We got Trent Woodman on drums. And this funky motherfucker Oliver on lead guitar. Hey, alright. This first song we got for you is called Cuddle Jug. Take some we don't ever have to leave our smoke until we're top. Maybe we can buy a boat, we can sail away, never come back. Dropping nothing from these clothes, see what God wants to know. Don't make more, only one, take something better. Wait, can you hear my vocals alright? Alright, cool. Sorry. My vocals are a little rough today, but it'll do. Slow on the bar. What? Yeah, slow on the bar. Alright, well this one's really sad, and I don't have a title for it, so we're calling it Sad Untitled Song.
Yeah!
Yeah, who's sad tonight? Good! Last night I still taste you on my tongue. How could I dream of someone else? So tonight I will crush this bitter pill and wrap her arms around myself. Whoa, I can't see myself better. Whoa, that's on me. Last night I could still see the outline of your eyes. I took your body just like so, yeah, grin of a way. Sweet dog, floating in the air, but my only outing of a darker day. Oh, I can't like it's all different of ways. Yes, we go floating in between. My only out of here was a good place. Whoa, I can't see myself feeling better. Whoa, and that's on me. Whoa, I can't see myself feeling better. Whoa, and that's on me. Whoa, I can't see myself feeling better. Whoa, and that's on me. Alright, that was kind of sloppy, but... Oh, shit.
Oh, Trey! Yeah!
Alright. So... Wait, where's Gus at? Gus, this is the one you liked! Oh, shit. Alright. Alright. This one's called Crossing the Street. Hold on.
Yeah, what a red pumpkin.
Oh, jam on.
Crossing the Street side. What? Alright. It's fine. Yeah. Just let me know, dude. Cigarettes and pour other birds out of your head. Down in the in between the fantasy and propaganda. When you call me up tonight, I can't open up my eyes. I let you down with every word out of my mouth, but I'd rather be about the life and stay up another night. Once I lay down, I can never leave this house again. Mama farmer's warm lips against my skin. Love is real, love is all you ever need. Boy, you got up in the static of the wet she's been. When you come in to life, the thread that pulls the pretty light. I love that sound of that ship far out of town. I had to cross the street to get Oh shit, I'm bleeding a lot.
Sweet guys! Hell yeah!
This is Angry Bee. This one's called Angry Bee. Yeah, this put a kick on second. Got it?
Yeah!
Woo! Love your enthusiasm, Maria. Right. Here comes the angry bee. The war is won. Nobody will look at me for it. song. And all my daddy's days are in the car. Don't you know the most beautiful things are the ones that don't stick around? So if you feel like getting better, we can burn and tell the whole world weather. If you feel like dying, then I can be your man. If you feel like getting better, we can burn and tell the whole world weather. If you feel like dying, then I can be your man. I love you, this place my head shot. Try to space, I want you, but I want you. Here comes the end of me. The war is won. Nobody will look at me for the inside. No, I'm not trying to think. Or in the clouds. Don't you know the most beautiful things are the ones that don't stick around? So if you feel like getting better, we can burn and tell the whole world with us. If you feel like dying, then I can be your man. If you feel like getting better, we can burn and tell the whole world with us. If you feel like dying, I can be a helping hand. I love you, this place my head got a lot of things I want you. Thank you.
You guys have like one more?
One more.
Definitely 7 minutes. Definitely. Let's do the fastest.
Alright, yeah, let's do, wait, ND girls, alright. Where's our ND girls tonight? Alright, this one's for you guys. It's called ND Girls Got Me Fucked Up. So, wait, Trent, you haven't even heard this song.
I haven't.
But you'll get it. Alright. Alright, I'm bleeding.
That's sick, bro.
Oh man. Wait till you get it.
It works.
Get it on your guitar.
Trying to talk, my head is picking ways. Look, oh shit! I forgot the lyrics. I got the lyric book. Alright.
We need to get peanut butter.
Peanut Butter Love Fest?
To
Yeah.
get that in there.
Yo, where did I put that book?
Should we just do
Sick ass necklace.
Alright. Alright, fuck that. We're doing Peanut Butter Love Fest. This one goes to Pat. We fucking love you, Pat. First time is always the hardest. You try to walk through this. This mess is one big bruise. You'd like to see me through. See me through. See me through. See me through. Love fest. some pressure on it. I guess it'll add to war. There is a part of me that I know you want to change. Can't force progression, baby, 'cause I don't feel the same. Feel the same. Feel the same. Feel the same. It's like never that it's better, don't try. Life is not forever, 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 forever. I'm sick of pulling out splinters. I'm drowning in the kitchen sink, 'cause I like myself better when I drink. Think I could stop the sun, going down and getting out of the car. I'm happy even though I'm dying, and opens only visible on the horizon. What's it like looking out of the night? What's it like living in the future? I got my head on straight and I got both feet on the ground, and I'm maybe high. You want with your head in the ground. Alright, we're the white noise. Thank you.